Don't learn data analytics. Seriously. If you're learning it because you heard it pays well, you saw a 6-month to 6-figure video, or you think it's an easy remote job, please stop. You're going to waste your time. Now, let's talk. The problem isn't data analytics. The problem is why most people start learning it. Then they start typing how to become a data analyst, data analysis for beginner, is data analytics hard, best tech skill to learn in 2026. But they are chasing escape, not clarity. Though it's good to search for all that, but when you start learning data analytics, all the tools for data analysis, without understanding what the job actually is, you start to burn out. You get overwhelmed. You even quit. Some people quit. Yes. Let me be blunt. If you don't like solving problems, asking questions, sitting with messy information, thinking deeply before acting, you will struggle. You will struggle in data analyst career, because data analytics is not just dashboard. You need to know it's not just dashboard. It's structured thinking, it's patience, it's curiosity. And if you're only here for the money, the frustration will eat other than the salary motivates you. That's why many people start learning data analytics and quietly disappear. When I started learning data analytics, I thought it was all about tools. I wanted to master everything, master Excel, learn SQL queries, build Power BI dashboard, maybe add Python, R. I learned everything. But the truth is, the tools were the easy part. The hard part was learning how to think. Learning how to break big problems into small questions, interpret data without panicking, communicate insights clearly, stay consistent when results weren't instant. I learned all this the hard way. And that was when I realized you don't learn data analytics, you become analytical. If you're enjoying this video, stay with me in this video, because at the end of this video, I'm going to clarify what data analytics for beginners actually requires. So me saying don't learn data analytics, I have a reason for saying that. You need to follow a structured step for you to become a data analyst. So no, don't learn data analytics unless you are ready to think differently, stay consistent, practice beyond tutorial, be patient with yourself, build real projects, solve real problems. If you are, then this field will change your life. Let's clarify what data analytics for beginners actually requires. 1. Business thinking. Every data set exists because someone needs a decision to be made. If you don't care about business context, you just create pretty charts. You need to understand business thinking. Step 2 is structured curiosity. A real data analyst asks questions like, over what time period, compared to what, based on what metrics, what does this actually mean? That is analytical thinking. Step 3 is communication. Your insights are actually useless if you can't explain them clearly. You need to learn that. This is why some people struggle in entry-level data analytics interview. They learn tools but never learn storytelling. Let me speak to you
Learning
directly.
data analytics,
If you're feeling overwhelmed learning data analytics, it's not because you are not smart. It's because you are consuming too much content and not building depth. You don't need 15 courses, 10 certifications, or every programming language. No, you don't need it. You need one structured roadmap, real practice. You need consistency and you need guidance. The truth I'm going to tell you is that don't learn data analytics if you want shortcuts. Absolutely, I'll give you every reason to learn data analytics. But if you want a skill that compounds, a career built on logic and clarity, remote work opportunities, a future-proof profession, the ability to turn data into decision. Because when you do this right, learning data analytics step by step builds confidence you can carry in every room. That is what I need you to know. If you're enjoying this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, share, like this video. And this video is for beginners wondering, is data analytics hard? People searching how to become a data analyst, anyone starting data analytics for beginner, or those learning Excel, SQL, Power BI or Python for data analysis, and also for aspiring entry-level data analysis feeling stuck. Let me say this gently. Don't quit because it feels hard. Quit if you truly hate problem solving. That is the honest truth. But if you feel confused yet curious, that is not a sign to stop. That's a sign you are growing. If you want a channel that teaches you how to think, not just click tools, or break down data analytics step by step, or talks honestly about data analytics career paths, or shows you what actually matters in interview and real job, then you need to subscribe to this channel. Not because data analytics is trending, but because you're serious. And if you've watched this video till this point, you are not wasting time. You are building something. So don't forget to like this video, share to friends.